Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete search history on YouTube. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, we're gonna access our particular YouTube app on a mobile phone, and we're gonna find this kind of interface, right? Afterwards, you're gonna tap on this little UI icon given below right corner of the section, and this is your interface, right? So here in the section you can go ahead, see this history option on top. Go ahead, tap on this view all, and now you have all of your history. The first thing that you can do is you can simply manually tap on this three dot and simply remove from watch history option over here. And if you tap on this three dot icon on top, you can find this option called manage all history, right? Go ahead, tap on this manage all history. Now choose your account that is connected with your YouTube, and here in the section you're going to find this kind of interface, right? Go ahead, tap on this delete option and tap on this delete all time and simply tap on this delete, and all of the history of yours has now been deleted from your YouTube, just like that. So that is how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.